Heat stress is a major concern in construction and infrastructure, especially in hot climates. Effective HSE, health, safety, and environment control measures are essential to protect workers from heat-related illnesses. Here's a comprehensive overview of HSE control measures for heat stress in this context, structured according to the hierarchy of controls. Elimination substitution, removing the hazard using work scheduling. Plan strenuous or outdoor tasks for cooler parts of the day, early morning, late afternoon, evening, or night shifts. Elimination substitution, removing the hazard by proceeding with off-site prefabrication. Maximize work done in controlled, cooler environments away from the site. Elimination substitution, removing the hazard by using mechanical aids. Use machinery to reduce manual labor, which generates body heat. Engineering controls, modifying the environment by providing shade. Erect temporary shade structures, tents, canopies over work and rest areas. Engineering controls, modifying the environment by improving the ventilation. Use industrial fans, blowers, and exhaust systems in enclosed spaces to enhance airflow and remove hot, humid air. Engineering controls, modifying the environment by providing cooling stations. Establish designated, easily accessible cool-down areas with air conditioning or evaporative coolers. Engineering controls, modifying the environment by isolating the heat sources. Insulate hot pipes or machinery, or use barriers to reduce radiant heat exposure. Administrative controls, changing work practices, implementing a heat illness prevention plan. Develop a comprehensive plan including administrative controls, changing work practices. Risk assessment. Regularly assess heat stress using indices like wet bulb globe temperature. Use light-colored or reflective materials. Hydration program. Provide ample, cool, potable drinking water readily. Encourage frequent sips, e.g., 1 cup every 15 to 20 minutes. Consider electrolyte drinks for prolonged sweating. Acclimatization. Gradually expose new or returning workers to hot conditions over 7 to 14 days. Work-rest schedules. Implement mandatory frequent rest breaks in shaded or cooled areas, adjusting based on temperature and work intensity. Buddy system. Encourage workers to monitor each other for signs of heat stress. Emergency response. Have clear procedures for recognizing heat illness symptoms and providing first aid, with prompt access to emergency medical services. Supervision. Train supervisors to identify and respond to heat stress symptoms and enforce safety measures. Job rotation. Rotate workers to limit prolonged exposure to high heat and strenuous tasks. Training and education. Educate all workers on heat stress risks, symptoms, prevention, and emergency procedures. Flexible working patterns. Consider flexible start-end times to avoid peak heat. Relaxed dress codes. Allow lighter, breathable clothing, wear safe. And finally, the use of personal protective equipment. PPE should be lightweight, breathable clothing. Encourage loose-fitting, light-colored, moisture-wicking fabrics. PPE, head protection advised to use wide-brimmed hats or neck flaps for hard hats. PPE should include cooling vests, accessories. Consider personal cooling devices for specific tasks. Eye protection by provide UV protective sunglasses. Specific considerations for grease. Cultural practices. Encourage and reinforce the existing cultural understanding of taking breaks during the hottest part of the day. Compliance with Ministry of Labor directives. Be aware of and comply with any specific directives or circulars issued by the Greek Ministry of Labor and Social Security regarding outdoor work during heat waves. These often include mandatory work suspensions during the hottest hours for construction and other outdoor sectors. Language barriers ensure all heat stress information, training, and signage are provided in languages understood by the entire workforce, including migrant workers. Regular monitoring of conditions and adaptation of the plan are crucial for effectiveness. By systematically applying these control measures, construction and infrastructure companies in Athens and other hot regions can significantly mitigate the risks of heat stress, ensuring the health, safety, and well-being of their workforce.